To get a new Walmart discount card or order a replacement card, follow these steps. First, determine if you are eligible for a Walmart discount card. The card is available to Walmart associates and their family members. If you are eligible, you can obtain a new card or replace a lost or stolen one. To get a new card, you will need to visit the Walmart One website or the Walmart Wire. These are internal websites used by Walmart associates to access company information and benefits. If you do not have access to these websites, you can ask your supervisor or HR representative for assistance. Once you are on the Walmart One website or the Walmart Wire, navigate to the Benefits section and click on the Discount Card option. You will be prompted to enter your associate ID and other identifying information to verify your eligibility. After verifying your eligibility, you can request a new card or replacement card. You will need to provide your name, address, and other contact information. Make sure to double-check your information for accuracy to avoid any delays in processing your request. If you are ordering a replacement card, you will need to report your lost or stolen card to prevent unauthorized use. You can do this by contacting the Walmart Benefits Department or by using the online reporting tool on the Walmart One website or the Walmart Wire. After submitting your request, your new card will be mailed to you within a few weeks. In the meantime, you can print out a temporary discount card from the Walmart One website or the Walmart Wire to use for shopping. To use your discount card, simply present it at the checkout counter when making a purchase at a Walmart store. The discount will be applied to your purchase, and you will receive the discounted price. Make sure to follow the terms and conditions of the discount card program to avoid any issues with your card. In summary, to get a new Walmart discount card or order a replacement card, visit the Walmart One website or the Walmart Wire. Navigate to the Benefits section. Verify your eligibility. Request a new card or replacement card, and provide your contact information. Remember to report any lost or stolen cards and follow the terms and conditions of the discount card program to ensure continued eligibility and benefits.